So make sure you are clicking on the 2025 or your current year tax return button with the home icon, and then tap on personal info option just below it. So the first scenario, if you already added your dependents before, then under your marital status, there will be a name or list of your current dependent. And if you want to add another dependent, just click here on add another dependent. Then scroll down and hit the continue button. On these blank boxes, you may enter the new dependent that you want to add. And after you are done, tap on this Done Adding Dependents button. The second scenario, if you does not have any dependent yet, then on the Dependent section, tap on Edit button just besides it, and then scroll down to hit the Continue button. And again, you may enter the new dependent that you want to add on these blank boxes, and after you are done, tap on this Done Adding Dependents button, and you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.